Hey guys, how you all doing? Hope you're all keeping well. I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome to the channel where today I'm going to be unboxing and testing out a bit of kitchen tech. And today's bit of kitchen tech comes in the form of this lovely Bosch Kettle. Now this is actually my partner's purchase and it wasn't cheap at all, but hopefully it will be worth the money and we shall see when we test it out. Also, I have got this bad boy here. This is a blender that I purchased for myself to make all my protein shakes with. So I'll be covering this in another video. And yeah, if you want to see me unbox that and test out, maybe make a few protein shakes in it and that, then please hit that subscribe button to join me for that unboxing. But like I said, today's video is all about this Bosch kettle. So what we will do is have a little tour around the box. We'll get the kettle out, have a look around it, and we'll test it out and make a brew. So let's crack on with the video. Rightio, let's start off by taking a tour around the outside of the box. So first off, let's check out the model number on this one. So it's the TWK7203GB. And like I said, this is by Bosch, and as you can see, it's like a black and chrome. Is that brushed or not? I'm not too sure. I'm sure we'll tell when we get it out the box. And it says there's 7 different temperature settings. It's 3000 watt max and 1.7 litre. Let's have a look. Yeah, there we go. Stainless steel. Looking around on the back, it says we've got easy opening, anti-scale filter, acoustic signal. So I'm guessing that when it's boiled or at the desired temperature, it will sing a tune to you. And what else have we got? Stainless steel bottom, touch control, keep warm function, 360 degree cordless, and double wall stainless steel. And then moving around to the other side, here we go with the 7 different temperature settings. So as you can see, looks like it ranges from 70 to 100, and judging by these markings here, looks like it goes up in 5-degree increments, and gives you some examples there of the different temperatures for your different brews, so your different teas and coffees and whatnot. So yeah, that's pretty much about it on the box there. Let's have a look at that. Just shows like a top-down view of it with some teas. So not a lot to look at. So let's get it open. Let's lift the lid, and we have got some instructions. Bit of padding there on one corner. So we have the kettle itself. Just set that to one side there. And the base, and that's pretty much it. So let's start off with looking at the main part of the kettle itself. Oh, that's going right through me, that is, that noise. Oh god. And yeah, it is, I don't know if you can see that. Okay, brushed effect on that. Looks very nice. Nice and shiny, as you'd expect, being brand new. So we've got our level indicator just down the side there, so you can see how much water there is in there. Not a lot to look at, to be honest. Got a button on the top there. I'm guessing that's going to be to release the lid. There we go. And then looking inside, as you can see, there's no visible element as such. And there is your filter just there. So, very nice. I mean, it's a kettle, not a lot to say really. Let's move on to the base. Obviously this is the UK version, so we've got the 3-pin plug on there. And we've got some extra cable wound around here. So what I'm going to do actually, I'm going to measure it for you guys. Right, so I've now got my trusty tape measure, and let's just measure up this cable here. And the length on that is approximately 70 centimeters, or excuse me, in inches that is 27.5. So yeah, not bad length at all as far as kettles go. And moving on to the base plate, I can see already it's picked up a lot of finger marks where I've just been handling it there. But anyway, yeah, you've got a few buttons on here. They are not like physical buttons, they just seem like touch sensitive. So we've got our power on off there, and we've got our keep warm function with this one. And there we go, we've got our scale ranging from 70 to 100, so you can set whichever temperature you desire. So let's just pop the kettle on its base plate there, and yeah, looks very stylish. As you can imagine, you can put it around any angle you want. Nothing spectacular about that. Oh yeah, and the other thing, the filter can just be pulled out just like that. Oh, something hanging off that, so let's pull that off there. There we go. Pop it back in, simply clips in. There you go. So I think what we'll do now is put some water in it, and we'll fire it up. Right, I've now filled up the kettle to its maximum allowance of 1.7 litres full of water, and just to prove it to you guys, you can see the water in there. So what I'm going to do now is turn it on at the socket for the very first time. So let's do it. There we go, we get a beep and the kettle lights up. Let me just zoom in a bit closer for you guys so you can have a better look at the controls themselves. And just adjust that exposure a little bit there for you. There we go. Right, let's see if this lights up. Yeah, sure enough. So when you touch any part of the temperature sort of control there, it jumps to whatever part you're touching it. And yeah, if you drag your finger, that will adjust it up and down as well. And let's just see about turning it on and off. I'm guessing just one touch on there. Yeah, sure enough, one touch for off again. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to boil the kettle with a, like I said, a full 1.7 litres of water, and I've got my iPad here with a stopwatch on it so we can see how long it takes. So let's crack on with a test, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. There you go, that took, I think it was 3 minutes 38. I was a bit late stopping on the stopwatch there. I wandered off for a second. Don't know how that compares to other 1.7 litre kettles. So please let me know if that's any good or not. I haven't got a clue. This is more of me partner's department. I don't normally mess around with the kettle myself. But yeah, as you heard there, you got a bit of a beep at the end. Must admit, not the loudest of beeps. Maybe it could have gone on for a bit longer, the way it sort of mentioned it on the box. I thought it was going to be a bit more dramatic than that. But hey, it is what it is at the end of the day. I do like these touch-sensitive controls on it. They do look very nice, like I said. The way that you can, let me just adjust that again. The way that you can scroll up and down like that, yeah, very classy indeed. And it does look a nice bit of kit, to be fair. Whether it's worth the money, I don't know. I'm guessing you know, you can answer that for yourselves at home. So if you do want to pick up one of these kettles. I will put a link in the description to it. I've deliberately not included the price because at time of recording, the price does seem to be going up and down quite a bit. And my partner was able to get it on offer where there was like a £20 cash back. Whether that will still apply or not, I'm not too sure. So you're just going to go and have to click on that link. But anyway, hopefully you've enjoyed this video today. And if you have, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you've not already subscribed to the channel, then maybe think about subscribing for more of the same in the future. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.